graph traversal is the topic in this particular session. Now, what is a graph traversal? See, a graph traversal or in graph traversal, we visit all vertices of a graph in a particular order, traversing through the edges of the given graph. So, it is not only traversing. We are very much acquainted with the graph search. So, this particular traversing operation can also be known as not only graph traversal but graph search. In this case, we can search for a certain node item. Not only searching, we can also do some updates if requires at that particular node. So, this graph traversal or graph search are those algorithms where we will be traversing all the nodes in a certain and particular order depending upon the logic of the algorithm. Here we are having mainly two algorithms which we follow in our graph traversal algorithms. So, now there are mainly two algorithms for graph traversals. Breadth first search, in short it will be called as BFS, and depth first search, in short it will be called as a DFS. So, breadth first search and depth first search. There are two searching algorithms or graph traversing algorithms which we usually use in our daily usage. A graph can be represented using different ways, different techniques in the computer's memory. These BFS and DFS are those two algorithms where graph will be read if it is written in the adjacency list form. In the adjacency list, adjacency multi-list form will be the suitable format from where these particular algorithms can read the graph information. Obviously, we can also go for adjacency matrix. So, this graph must be represented using certain data structure which will be easily accessible or which can be read by these algorithms. In our other videos, we have discussed this BFS and DFS. Please watch other videos where in one video we have discussed the respective algorithm. In another video, we have discussed that algorithm with a very suitable example so that you can have crystal clear conception and with no doubts. Please watch those videos, and thanks for watching this one.